Hello, I'm Jane from Sister Sage Herbs. I'm going to talk today about making a herbal infused vinegar. So what I have started today is a hawthorn, ginger, and orange rind mixture. So because of the sound, I worked the ginger. I'll show you here. So I have about a half a cup of ginger. It was about 4 times that. And I just put the vinegar in with it to grind it up best. And so I'm going to pour that into I have a quart jar. I'm going to go ahead and pour that in there. Yum. Smells delicious. And then what I'm going to do now, since there's a lot of stuff still in there, I'm going to go ahead and put another cup of the vinegar. I've got apple cider vinegar today. And whatever flavor, whatever vinegar you like the best. But this has, it's unfiltered, so I like that. And so I'm going to go ahead and measure out 1 more cup. So that'll be 16 ounces total in this recipe. And make sure you keep putting the top on there. And I'm just going to pour it in here to get out the rest of this yumminess. Probably should have gotten a scraper, but okay, I'm going to pour that in there too. And that got most of it out of there, so that's good. So now we have the rest of it. We'll make 2 whole cups of vinegar. 2 whole cups of vinegar. And then I have already taken the hawthorns off, the berries off of their thorns and whatnot. There's a few leaves in there. And I don't mind the little stems either. But so just want to pick through there and make sure they're all nice looking. And just because I'm going to be doing, I had a few left over from my container that I soaked in a little, oops, oopsie. I have a few more hawthorns that I had left over from the container I had, and so I put them in hot water. You can see they've plumped. Maybe you can or cannot see that they have plumped. And I'm just going to end up taking those home and cooking them down a little bit and then putting honey in there with it. So I thought that would be nice. So you can cut this further, but all I've done is take the peel off of one of the oranges. So put that in there first, and then I'm going to just pour in the hawthorns. It might be a little bit loud. And not that little bit at the end there. Okay. And then to make it so that it does not corrode the lid, use a plastic lid, or you can use a wax paper. I'm just going to shake that up a little bit. You can see it's super yellow right now, but it's going to infuse up real nice. So I think I'm going to go ahead and fill this up because it does look like a lot of herbs in there. So I'm going to try to put 1 more cup of vinegar in. Let's see how that goes. So now we have 3 cups of vinegar. Oh, almost perfect. Perfect. Okay, great. So there you go. And you could easily have just, well, it is good to cut the ginger up finely, but you're going to have to wait for the flavor of the hawthorn to come pulling out through there. But that's going to probably be like a nice orange or pink or something like that. It's going to be nice. So that's it. That's as easy as it is. So you can put any herb in there. I don't have a very small container, but I was going to make a pint size, and I'll just show you instead. Wipe that up. And I brought just the normal everyday Mediterranean cooking herbs. So some sage, and I have bundled these, but you can just crumble it off as you need. Then I have some nice fennel from the fennel seed, and that's really nice, and it's great digestive also. And then I have some rosemary that's super dry right now, and I do have some thyme as well. And I have, just for fun, I have one wrinkly ginkgo leaf to put in there. So that's really nice. I might put a tiny bit of lavender in there as well. Would be nice. Even some hyssop. So you can put garlic, anything like that in there. I'm not going to go ahead and make that one because I don't have the small container, and I'll spill it on my way home. But that's as easy as it goes. You just put the flavors that you want in there, and then add, you want to make sure to cover the herb with the vinegar, so that's why I added the extra cup there. But yeah, stuff it as much as you can. And then, because you don't usually just take vinegar by itself, you can put a lot of herb in there, and then when you are squeezing it out, taste it. You can even re-infuse it again. I would not recommend re-infusing with like a fresh another ginger, because you're starting to dilute and add more water, and then you won't have as much of the vinegar in there. So pretty fun. Pretty much anything you would like to have as a beverage. I've made chai tea before, chai tea vinegar before, and that was fun. I didn't have as many things that I wanted to put it on, but it would be good in like a chutney, you know, really good with like apples and things like that. This is kind of the beginning of your fire cider. So you can take the ginger, or you could do lemon is nice too, garlic, horseradish, of course, and peppers, hot pepper, to just get all the sinuses going. So that's called fire cider. And then a lot of people do add honey to that, because you just want to have that antibacterial in the actual formula, but then you want to have the honey to help all the herbs go down. So yeah, hope that helps you out, and thanks for coming. Take care. Bye bye.